Hey guys, welcome to the intro video for week 3. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's go ahead and get started. So just a couple of reminders before we get into the overview of the week. Please make sure that you are submitting and completing and submitting all assignments in Google Classroom. You should not have to make a copy of anything. It should all be in Google Classroom on the daily assignment. And ready for you to type on. So make sure you are doing that. Make sure that you are hitting turn in when you are finished with an assignment. What I'm noticing is some of you are maybe completing an assignment and forgetting to do that. I will not know that you are ready for me to grade it until you hit turn in. So make sure you do that. And then if you are getting stuck on something, make sure that you communicate that to me via office hours. I'm available through email, Google Meet. A lot of you I see will be submitting something and you'll say, I didn't know how to do this, or I was confused. We're not a normal school anymore. I can't read your minds. I don't know how things are going at home. So make sure to reach out via email or Google Meet to get those questions clarified. So let's go ahead and talk about this should say week 3. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and look at the overview. So Monday, I've given you guys kind of a day off, so to speak, on Monday. You just have to watch the weekly intro video and complete the check-in form. And then the rest of the week, we are actually starting what would be our unit on, or what is our unit on political participation. So our focus this week is on political socialization and ideology. So how we get our ideas about politics, about government, and then what the main ideas kind of are. So ideology being, are you a conservative? Are you a liberal? That kind of thing. So if you take a look, Tuesday is going to really be just the bare bones. What is political socialization and ideology? So there are notes for you to complete. Wednesday is having you guys take a look at what your political ideology is, right? It's really important because some of you guys will be able to vote in 2020. So knowing what your political ideology is will help influence potentially how you vote. So I want you guys to do that. So you will take 2 very short quizzes, and then there is or are some reflection questions to answer, and everything that you need will be linked in the document itself, and I'll show you that when we head to Google Classroom. And then Thursday and Friday are the same assignment. I've just broken it up or broken it down for you guys just to pace yourself. So Thursday and Friday, we're looking at why don't people vote? So America has one of the lowest voter turnouts in the world, and we're looking at what are the reasons for that. So Thursday, you are completing part 1 and part 2, and then Friday is part 3. And then, of course, just like the past 2 weeks, we have our optional drop-in answer session, question and answer session on Friday mornings from 9 to 9:30, but I am available at all other times, 9 to 11, 1 to 2 for office hours. Okay, so let's head over to Google Classroom. As you can see for week 3, here's the Google Meet link. Monday, all you have to do is watch the weekly intro video and complete the check-in form, which is linked here. Tuesday is to watch the video that I have linked and complete the note sheet, and you will turn that in when you are finished. So again, it's a template for you to complete, mostly fill in the blank, as you can see here. And then there is a summary question that you will answer before you submit. One thing that I forgot to mention is make sure that you are typing in a color other than black, please, just to help me out, so that way it's easy for me to see when I go to grade it. Okay, so that is Tuesday. Wednesday, again, you're looking at what is my ideology. It says to complete the short quizzes linked in the document to identify your political ideology and best match for political parties and candidates. After each quiz, answer the reflection questions on the handout and turn in when finished. So let me pull that up. Okay, so when you go to the actual document, you will see that I have linked to quiz number 2 here. Okay, and then pretty much everything is self-explanatory for the most part, especially on this second quiz. It goes a little bit into detail about some of these topics. So if there is something that you don't know, don't understand, especially with the second quiz, you can click, there's a Learn More tab. You can Google it or email me. Try to answer the questions that you feel confident in, that you understand. And like I said, I can be there to help answer any questions questions you may have. So this first quiz is really going to identify where you are on the ideological spectrum, which we will talk about in the notes on Tuesday. And then the second quiz is going to pop out the political party that you align with the best and the candidate for 2020. And then, of course, there are reflection questions to answer. And when you finish, just submit to Google Classroom. And then Thursday and Friday, again, is that why don't people vote analysis. So you are going to use the attached presentation to complete for Thursday, part 1 and 2, and then as it says here, Friday, part 3. And you can access this assignment through Thursday's tab and turn in when finished. So let me show you the handouts, and then here is the presentation. So again, as you can see, type in a color other than black. There is a little bit of a section for some quick notes. And the other part, that's part 1, the notes. The second part will be evidence. So you'll be going through some stations through the presentation to look at the reasons why people don't vote in America. So you will complete the questions that are in this box up through station 4 for Thursday. And then for Friday is part 3. So you don't have to do part 3 until Friday. Okay, and let me show you the presentation. So this is what you will use to complete parts 1 and 2 for Thursday, part 3 for Friday. And again, it walks you through. So there's part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, so you will use this presentation both days. And then, like I said, when you're finished with the assignment, on Friday, you will submit that to Google Classroom. Okay, and then of course I've also linked the Google Meet link for you if you would like to stop by on Friday to ask any questions or just to say hey. So I hope you guys are having a good week. You guys have been enjoying some quarantine time and rest and relaxation if you're able. If you have any questions, reach out through help hours, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.